Hello, Mask. How are you feeling? Are you feeling better to be home all these days? So, today I want to share with you an explanation on how to convert mixed numbers to fractions. So here we have these numbers. This is a mixed number, right? Because it has a whole number and a fraction. So that is why it's called mixed. So what we're gonna do is the clue to resolve or to convert these mixed numbers into a fraction, a single fraction. What we need to do is we are going to multiply, right, the denominator with the whole number. So we have here then a 4 times 2, right? And what we do with this number is that with the 3 we add it. So we add it here, number 3, right? Okay, so now we're gonna put the same denominator here. Okay, so here we are fine, right? Okay, next step is that we're going to multiply the number. 2 times 4 is 8, right? Plus 3. And we're gonna put the same denominator here. What we're gonna do now is that we're going to make an addition. 8 plus 3 is 11, and we're gonna put the denominator here, and that is the answer. So I want to share with you now how we can add mixed numbers, adding mixed numbers and fraction. Okay, so for example, if we have this number, a whole number 3 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay, so one strategy that could be very useful and easy is that we're gonna take first the mixed numbers as we did here, right? And we're gonna convert this mixed number into a fraction. So it's gonna be easier for us to add them, okay? So we're gonna proceed to do the same thing. Okay, this is what we do. We take the denominator 4 and we're going to multiply it with 3, okay? So it's 4 times 3. And what we do with this number? We add it, right? We add it here. And we're gonna put the same denominator here. Okay, so we have here 4 times 3 is 12, right? Plus 1. And we write again here the denominator. So 12 plus 1 is 13. And, okay, 4. So we already convert our mixed number and we got 14/4. But we're gonna add it to this fraction, right? What we see here? We see here that it has the same denominator. Has the same denominator, right? So what we do, we're just gonna proceed to add it. The numerator, 14 plus 1 is 14, and we're gonna put the same denominator because it's the same one. And that is our answer to our problem. So then we already learned how to convert mixed numbers into fractions. But how about if we do the opposite and we want to convert fractions to mixed numbers? This is our first example. So here we have 19 our nominator, and 4, this is our fraction, and 4 is the denominator. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the 4 and we're gonna put it again, the denominator, we're gonna put it in its place again, and we're gonna find a number that multiplied by 4, it's equal or next to 19, to the denominator. Okay, so which number we multiply is near to 19? Okay, here we have 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, right? How about 4 times 5 is 20, right? So we cannot use 5 because 20 is bigger than 19. So we cannot use the 5, but so then we're gonna use the next number, the closest number, which is 4, right? So 4 times 4 is 16, but it's not 19. What do we do then? For which number is gonna be our denominator? Yes, gonna be, okay, here we have 19, right? But the number that we have is 16. So what do we do then? Yeah, we're gonna do a rest, a subtraction, and it's gonna be 9 minus 6, 3, 1 minus 1. Okay, I put in the wrong position. So 16, let's go here. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So then this is gonna be our denominator. We're gonna try again to see if we learn, okay? And do you see this? This is a mixed number. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put here our denominator, and we're gonna find a number that is close to the denominator, to 23. So if I have 5 times 5, it's 25, right? It's more than 23. So we cannot use it. So what? Because we need a mixed number. Which number we're gonna use is, if it's not 5, is 4, right? 4. 4 times 5 is 20. It's near to 23, but it's not 23. So what do? We do the same thing. 23 minus 4 times 5 is 20. So it's 3 minus 0 is 3, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is gonna be our denominator. 4 times 4, 3, 4 whole number, 3/5, our fraction. So 4 times 20 is 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23, in the same denominator. And we can see something to see if it's right. You remember we already learned how to convert mixed into fractions, right? Let's see again to see if this is right. Okay, we already learned that we're gonna multiply the whole number by the denominator is 4 times 5. And what do we do with this number? Yeah, we add it. Okay, and we're gonna put the same denominator here. So now what do? We're gonna resolve the operation. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3, the same denominator. And 20 plus 3 is 23, and the same denominator. And what do we have? This fraction is equal to this fraction, which means that our operation is correct, and we just confirm it. So if you have any doubt, you can leave your comments to let us know which in which area do you need help, so we can do this kind of tutorials or videos for you to learn. So keep safe, keep healthy, and see you next time.